All right, guys, here we are, Bridgeport. I'm all geared up, got everything on, ready to rock. Got my little dive flag up. I really don't have to, but since I'm by myself today, I mean, I figured might as well throw something up. I already see a lot of fish swimming around. They don't really look too big though, but it's mainly because it's out on this gravel bar. But we're gonna do a bit of scouting and then get to hunting. So yeah, let's cut to the action. All right, after an executive decision, that's way too big of a gun for the shallow water that we're gonna be in. So we are just gonna run with the single prong Hawaiian sling and use the big gun in the deeper water. Because I just missed a nice fish because I couldn't track it fast enough. So let's get it.
Τώρα υποθέτω ότι πρέπει να σου δώσω κάποιες εξηγήσεις. Αλλά αυτό είναι κάτι που δεν μας αξίζει. Θέλω να πω ότι όταν εγώ άρχιζα κάτι, εσύ πάντα ήξερες πώς να το τελειώσεις. Ζούσαμε πάνω σε μια υγριά μου και αν αυτή η ιστορία είναι αφιαλτική, δεν πάβει να είναι δική μας.